Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to upload music on Spotify. So there are two ways on how to upload your music on Spotify. So first is you need to go through a digital distributor or an aggregator, as Spotify doesn't allow direct uploads for independent artists. So you have to go to any web browser and then search for getting music on Spotify. Here you will see all the information and steps on how to upload music on Spotify. So first here, you can just simply choose a digital distributor. A digital distributor will upload your music to Spotify and other streaming platforms like Apple, Amazon Music, and more. If you tap this link, you will see all the list of distributors. Okay, so you have to click one. After that, you can now sign up and create an account, prepare your music, upload your music, choose your release date, and then select streaming platforms, submit, and pay. And that's it. Now, if you don't want to do this and you just want to simply upload your music specifically on Spotify, as easy as that. First, of course, you need to upgrade your Spotify into premium. Okay. And then you need to simply tap your profile at the top right corner. And then here you have to scroll down and then look for settings. Tap this. Now, if you have upgraded your plan into premium, then you should see the following here, such as local files. And all you have to do is to toggle this one on. Once toggled on, you will see here show songs from downloads and music library. So all you have to do is to click add a source and then select that location. For example, you want to upload or get music from your music, downloads, or desktop. And then once done, make sure that you have toggled this one on right here. To see that, you have to go to library. Here in the library, you should see this local files. Tap this one, and then what you're going to do is scroll down, and then you will see here all the music that you have added. To add this to your playlist, just tap this three dots and then add to playlist. As easy as that. Now you can enjoy listening to music from your local files. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. If you want us to create another tutorial, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.